Welcome to the EasyPlatform app, your companion for navigating and enjoying your conference experience. To get started, search EasyPlatform in the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install the app. We recommend downloading it ahead of the event so you can explore the features and prepare comfortably. After installation, open the app and locate your conference by scrolling through the list or typing its name in the search bar. Select the conference to enter. The home screen provides essential information such as live announcements and directions to the venue, ensuring you stay updated throughout the event. The Program tab gives you full access to the conference schedule. Log in using your username and password. There is always an option to retrieve your password if needed. Once logged in, select your preferred date and browse the sessions. Each session includes details such as time, room, abstracts, and discussion options. You may also select your preferred time zone. The participants can search for the room on the virtual venue map. Any last-minute updates will automatically appear in the app. Another useful feature is the questions and answers session, where participants can leave questions for the presenters. If you wish, add sessions to your personal schedule for easier planning. You can easily create your personal schedule using the Favorites feature. Under the Attendees section, you can explore participant profiles, view and save presentations, and connect via the built-in chat. Depending on the event, you may also receive notifications with reminders and important announcements. The digital bag contains conference materials such as the handbook, venue floor plan, and additional documents provided by the organizers. In account settings, you can update your personal details, profile photo, and biography. Completing your profile is highly encouraged, as it helps other participants connect with you more easily. You can leave the conference at any time by tapping More and choosing Exit Conference. Be sure to use the Favorites feature. This allows you to quickly save upcoming conferences and easily access all important information, including details from previous events. New features are introduced regularly. EasyPlatform is part of Easyconferences' suite of services, which also includes an online registration system and an abstract submission system. With more than 35 years of experience as a professional conference organizer, we created this app to meet the real needs of conference participants. Enjoy your event with EasyPlatform, designed to make your conference experience smoother, smarter, and more connected.